Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. When it comes to home decor, the kitchen is often considered the heart of the home. It's not only a functional space for cooking and preparing meals, but also a central gathering place for family and friends. Designing a kitchen that is both stylish and practical requires careful consideration of layout, materials, colors, and overall aesthetic. Here is a comprehensive guide to create the perfect kitchen design for your home decor. The layout of your kitchen should be efficient and functional, allowing for easy movement and accessibility to key areas such as the stove, sink, and refrigerator. Common kitchen layouts include the gallery, L-shaped, U-shaped, and island layouts. Each offering its own advantages depending on the size and shape of the space. Choose cabinetry that not only complements the overall style of your kitchen but also provides ample storage space for cookware, utensils, and pantry items. Consider options such as custom cabinets, open shelving, and built-in organizer to maximize storage efficiency and keep your kitchen clutter-free. Select durable and easy to clean materials for your countertops and surface such as granite, quartz, or marble. These materials not only add elegance to your kitchen but also withstand daily wear and tear. Additionally, consider incorporating a kitchen island or breakfast bar with the complementary countertops material to create a functional and inviting space for meal prep and casual dining. Invest in high quality appliances and fixtures that not only enhance the functionality of your kitchen but also complement your chosen design aesthetic. Stainless steel appliances are popular choice for modern kitchens, while vintage inspired fixtures can add character to a farmhouse style kitchen.